Enough is enough. We are suffering. We are suffering as a result of his assumption in office.
We said no to hike of price of fuel. We don't drink. This country is shocking us and we are dying.
I said this one. I said gentlemen of the
We want all Nigeria to live above board equally. Now they have asked us to sacrifice, which we already sacrificed, but I like them to remove subsidy. We don't want them to use any car above 7 million or 8 million naira. They should cut down the cost of governance from the presidency, to the governor, to rep member, to House of Assembly member, and to the governors. Now they have huge chunk of revenue. We want them to use the money for the betterment of the people. This is not the time for them to marry many wives and take their girlfriend to Dubai. We want more money to trickle down to the people and allocate 110 billion for bulletproof cars, each member with 100 million worth of cars. In a country where people are suffering, we are hungry.
Reduce the cost of governance, reduce the cost of governance and fix Nigeria. Go and use that 8,000 naira, put them together, build refineries, provide buses for the people instead of distributing that meager amount of money that cannot even do anything. We say no, we reject that 8,000 naira.
We are here because we cannot breathe. Government should remove his leg from the neck of the poor. If we dey suffer, let's suffer together. You won't give us 8,000 naira on a monthly basis, but you want to use 110 billion naira and 70 billion naira to buy cars for those who are already earning millions of naira.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.